Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go to school in Berry Avenue. So I just put on like this uniform outfit and I'm just going to ride a bike. You can use anything you want. So the school's here, as you can see, says BHS, Berry High School. It is next to the gas station. So from like the beach area, you're just going to go to like the back a little bit. And you're just going to go to Berry High School. Just gonna park here. Oops. And that's pretty much where you can go to Berry High School. You can also wear the outfit that they have here. So I want to be cheerleader, so I'm just going to wear this outfit. Okay, I have to take off the skirt because it's not gonna show. So let's go to equipped and let's remove this one. Press done, and as you can see, you'll be able to wear their uniform. To go to classes, there's just a bunch of classes you can go to. Okay, so that's the principal office. This is the cafeteria. This one's so cute, actually. I need to walk faster. Okay, I feel like here's where the classes are. Okay, so history. E, close the door. And to sit down, you're just going to press E. And that is how you can go to school in Berry Avenue. Obviously, you're going to have another person as a teacher for the role play. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.